Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky Okpaka, and in this video we are going to be dealing with input validation. We'll be validating an input that is entered by the user. So if the user, what input validation actually means is that we perform a check. Let's say you want the user to enter a number that is not more than 10. You want to check if the person the number that the person enter is not more than 10. So we're gonna that is input, that is called input validation. You are validating the input to be correct. So in this video we are validating an input or that will be entered on while we'll be dealing with a question which says theater seating revenue with input validation. In this question they say that a dramatic theater has 3 seating sections and it charges the following prices for tickets in each section. Section A costs $20 each, and section B costs $15 each, and section C costs $10 each. The theater, let me just give myself some space. Yeah, the theater has 300 seats in section A and 500 seats in section B, and then 200 seats in section C. We were told to design a program that asks for the number of tickets sold in each section and then display the amount of income generated from these sales. The program should validate the numbers that are entered for each session. Alright, so let's just get in and then start coding. So first of all, we're gonna declare an integer which will be holding what the user enters. So we're gonna say so ticket sold. Yeah, we're gonna say that ticket sold. I think it's more descriptive enough. So, and then we're gonna say in total, and then we're going to say tickets sold for A, right? Yeah, okay, we're gonna say, let's just give this one a section A, and I'm too lazy to type. I'm just gonna copy this and then put it right here. Okay, for easy purposes, I just wanna just put it right here and then put a semicolon, because right now I'm too tired to type. So I'm just gonna copy this one, section A, and then section B, and then comma, section C. I just hope I did something right, section C, and then I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then total. All right, so this is how you declare a variable in just same line so that we won't duplicate stuff. But anyway, that is just it for now. So let's just ask the user to enter a number. So see out, please enter the number of ticket sold for session A, perhaps session A. Right, let's just leave it like that. And as well end the line, I guess. Yeah, not end line, just end line. Right, and then we're gonna store it in session A variable. So we're gonna say in session A, and then I'm gonna copy that because I'm too lazy to type right now. My hand is just flopping and spinning me right now, and I've been working for a long time here. So okay, right, and I'm gonna copy that and paste again. Right, so I'm gonna change this one to B. I'm gonna change this one to B, and then C, and then C, right, as well. And then let's perform an input validation perhaps on all of these ones. Let's start from here. If while session A, what the person enter, let's just use while loop, I guess, because while loops is more accurate. So while session A is greater than how many 300 seats, because the session A got 300 seats in it, which is true, right? 300 seats, greater than 300 seats. We're gonna tell this person to, you know what, incorrect, see out, not CP out, just see out. Okay guys, I'm trying to keep time, but please, if I'm sorry if I'm too fast, but leave a comment below if there is something that you did not get. So see out incorrect input. Let's just tell the person that it can't session A can't be greater than 300. Okay, so let's just end that line, and then let's give the person an opportunity to type something again, and then we'll just store it here. So this is going to continue looping up until what the person entered is right. So I'm gonna copy this one and just do it same thing. Oh man, sorry for that. So I'm gonna copy it, and I'll do the same thing here, right here. I'm gonna just put this one session B instead of session A. I'll just put it right here. And then session A cannot be great, session B cannot be greater than 200. Obviously, that is what we are given. So I'm gonna just put it here, and then change this one as well, and then give the opportunity to enter a number again. So just put it in B, and I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Oh no, I'm just copying this one because right now I'm too lazy. Okay, then this is session C, right? Okay, session C. Please leave a comment below if there's something that you did not understand right now. I'm kind of rushing, but I think I'm sorry for that. And then let's say that session C has 100 seats, right? That's what we're giving. Session C has 200. Oh right, session B actually has 500, so we're gonna make changes to that. It's 500. All right, and then we'll just tell the person that it can be greater than 500, and then this one can be greater. So right, this is just it. I'm gonna stop here for now. In my next video, we're gonna continue with the total so that it can be able to display the total. Let me just run it so that you can see how input validation work. I'm just putting this one right here. Please, I'm just lower it a bit. Okay, please enter the number of tickets sold in A. Let's say what is it? Let's just say a number of tickets which we're given it cannot be greater than 300 in session A. So let's just put 500. This is input validation, because we are told that it can be greater than we should perform an input validation in session A and ordered. We are saying, we just told the program that, you know what, if in session A the person enter a number that is greater than 200, that is greater than 300, yeah, 300, we just tell the person to continue enter a number up until this rule is met. It just display this error saying that incorrect input, session can be greater than 300. I think we should be able to just put it session A so that we may be able to know, but next tutorial we're gonna do that. So it's an opportunity for the person to enter numbers. So let's just let the person enter a number again. Let's say 600. It will continue telling the person to enter a number because that can be greater than that, and up until the person enter 200, and then it will go to the next one. Say please enter the ticket sold for session B. So you're gonna do that up until the requirement is met. That is just a kind of input validation. In my next tutorial, we are going to design so that it can be able to have the total sale that is generated at the end of the day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the subscribe button. Did I just mention it together? Anyway, please leave a comment. I really want to help if there is any problem that you encountered. But for now, please take a look at the code again and again up until you know what input validation is. Please do it as I've shown you so far with my video. If you just get your hand in coding, because the thing is, you may think that you know it, but you are not certain up until you try it. That is just it. You should thank you for watching the video. See you next time.